When you started this course, a pivot table was probably just a thing people mentioned in meetings. Now you know it's the fastest analytical engine in Excel, and you know how to drive it. Think about what we covered. You prepared data that never breaks. You built reports in seconds that used to take hours. You added calculations, conditional formatting, and interactive slicers. You replaced the classic pivot table with live formulas. You prompted AI in plain English to generate analysis, and you built a dashboard that updates itself. Now here is your challenge. Open your own data, not the exercise file, your actual work data, and build one pivot table today. One. That single action will make everything in this course permanent. Now I have the next Excel bite in mind, but before I record it, I want to hear from you. Drop a comment right now. What is the one Excel topic you wish someone would finally explain properly? The most requested topic becomes the next course. Your comment decides what gets built next. The best has yet to come. Now go leave that comment.